This is an example of a long veil with just a floor-length gown or dress with no train. This way you can have your train and then remove it for the reception. Have a really big statement piece for going down the aisle. There are a couple of ways to wear a really long veil. Either way, it is a huge statement. It could match your gown, elaborate veil, elaborate gown, or you could do simpler gown with an elaborate veil. Usually when someone has a really sparkly beaded dress with a lot of detail, we try on a simpler veil that won't distract so much. There's those two trains of thought. Either match it or allow one piece of your outfit to be the statement. A simpler gown, elaborate veil, or a simpler gown, incredible bouquet. So they don't fight each other. There's the other train of thought that says, go all out. I want an over-the-top veil, I want an incredible bouquet, and an amazing dress. Here I always think, do what your heart desires. When you get it all together, if you're happy, that's what matters. And remember, from the back, this is what your guests are looking at as you go down the aisle. And then later, they're chatting with you and greeting from the front.